I just saw an interview with Jennifer Aniston where she swears by the gelatin trick for her luscious locks, and I have to admit, I'm obsessed with trying it out now. Apparently, she's been using the gelatin trick for years to boost her hair growth and thickness, and the results are undeniable. As someone who's struggled with thinning hair, I'm all ears when it comes to natural remedies like the gelatin trick. So, what exactly is the gelatin trick? It's basically a simple daily ritual where you dissolve gelatin in warm water and drink it down. The gelatin trick works by providing your body with the building blocks it needs to grow strong, healthy hair. I've been doing the gelatin trick for a few weeks now, and I've already noticed a difference. My hair feels fuller and more vibrant, and I've even seen a few new baby hairs sprouting up. The gelatin trick is all about nourishing your body from the inside out, and it's amazing how such a small change can add up to make a big difference. If you want to try the gelatin trick for yourself, I've got a link to a detailed recipe in the description below, and I've also pinned a comment with some helpful tips to get you started. Take a look and let me know how the gelatin trick works for you. I'd love to hear about your experience.